Justin from Tuscola, Michigan, has a question about doing his own roof.
Yeah, he wants your advice, Tom, and he sent in pictures. So we'll show you those as we're talking about this. Justin writes, I have a dormer that leaks, so I'm tearing it out. And he wants to know which goes on first when I resheathe it, the ice and water shield or the foam board. And also, I plan on step flashing the shingles at the dormer sidewalls. How's the foam board going to affect that?
Well, I'm not a big fan of foam board as a sheathing, but if you insist on using it, then it goes on first. Behind it, hopefully you'll use some kind of moisture barrier just to keep any water from getting behind it. The flashing does not go on there, and the ice and water shield does not go on there. And the step flashing is the proper way to do it before you put your siding on. The siding goes on top of it. So if you do it properly that way, it's fine. So it would be moisture barrier. It would be the foam if you want that. I just didn't see you do plywood, but foam is okay if that's what you insist on. And then you go ahead and do the step flashing in the roof and then bring the siding down over the step flashing, leaving about an inch of space between the bottom of the siding as it follows the slope and the step flashing, which will go up underneath the shingles, and that should handle all the water runoff.
Is this a do-it-yourself project?
Anything is a do-it-yourself project. If you want to fly an airplane, just get behind the wheel and see if you can do it. I mean, if somebody else does it, you can do it.
That's the way this strikes me.
Yes. But
Is that like...
It's usually not a do-it-yourself.
I saw it's like an online course for do-it-yourself heart surgery. You know, I'm like, this is the kind of thing. The roof is an important component of your house.
I think it's the three things. People ask me, what's the most important things? Three: foundation, framing, and roofing. Roofing protects everything underneath it. It is your number one defense against weather and everything else, and everything you own is underneath it. So roof is real important, and it should last at least 30 plus years today.
Well, the good news is if he has a problem, Justin doesn't have to go far to get warranty coverage. He just, get in the car, talk to himself.
Oh, I'm not going there.
All right, you got a question? We'd be happy. We'll go there for you. We'll get answers for you. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom button, and we'll fill out the form, send it in. We'll answer it. We post them on our Facebook page every day. We post them on our website at HomeShowRadio.com every day, and we put them on our YouTube channel. If you haven't found that, you go to YouTube and look for us and subscribe and click the bell, and you'll be the first to know when we post a new video.